It's an everything shower kind of night, you know, hair, skin, body, literally everything. It's long, it's extra, but it's so worth it. So let's get into it. Since I do have makeup on, I'm going in with Dr. Altia's Pore Refreshing Cleansing Balm. First of all, can we talk about the packaging? Like, you just twist, no mess, no scoop drama. And this cleansing balm itself is such a gem. It melts away makeup, even waterproof mascara, waterproof makeup, without, stripping my skin. Plus, the baby blue color is so cute. For face wash, I'm using the Simple's Micellar Gel Wash. This one is super gentle and soap free, which means it cleans my skin without stripping it. I love that it's perfume free, cleanses so well and keeps my face feeling fresh, clean, yet hydrated after washing. There's no dryness at all. Before oiling my hair, I like to start with a wooden hairbrush. It helps detangle my knots and makes the entire oiling process so much more easier. I've been obsessed with the Kama Ayurveda's Bringadi hair oil. This one's like liquid gold for your scalp. It strengthens roots, helps with hair fall, and just nourishes everything from within. I only apply this on my scalp because that's where it really works its magic. I always section my hair. This way I know the oil is reaching every part of my scalp, ensuring maximum nourishment and not missing any spot. I then like to use my scalp massager to gently massage all over to boost circulation and help the oil penetrate better. Plus, it's also super relaxing. And for my ends though, I have been really enjoying the Parachute Pre-Shower Nourishing Mask. Honestly, I wasn't expecting much from this, but my hair feels so soft and so hydrated. The scent is so refreshing, a complete 10 on 10. I like to leave it on for an hour before my shower. It's been an hour, it's time to hop into the shower, but before that I like to go in and dry brush. If you haven't tried dry brushing, you are missing out. It's the best way to boost circulation, helps with lymphatic drainage, and makes your skin so smooth before you even step in the shower. So make sure you do not skip this step. Now for my hair wash, I have been obsessed with the L'Oreal Paris Glycolic Gloss Shampoo. This cleanses so well, lathers beautifully, and leaves my hair so shiny and smooth, and also smells so good. It has a floral fruity scent, which I personally quite enjoy. I always like to shampoo my hair twice whenever I oil it. The second wash ensures that my scalp and strands are thoroughly cleansed, leaving my hair feeling light, fresh, and non-greasy. Conditioner, I use the L'Oreal Glycolic Gloss Conditioner just on my lens. It helps to detangle and the scent stays on till my next wash. And I like brushing it through so that it's evenly coated. And for that extra shine, I layer on the L'Oreal's Gloss Spray. I have been using this entire range for 5 to 6 washes now, and I personally quite enjoy it. It does leave my hair glossy, so it's a complete 10 on 10. To cleanse my body, I love using Dove bar soap. It's super gentle, smells so clean, so fresh, and leaves me squeaky clean without stripping my skin. For my feet, I use a foot buffer. It gently gets rid of dead skin and leaves my soles so smooth and soft. To exfoliate, I got my hands on the Dove's Chia Seed Body Scrub. This one smells divine. It's sweet and so fruity. The texture is so soft and creamy. It feels very similar to the Dove's Pomegranate Scrub. It exfoliates really well, leaving my skin baby smooth. To shave, I'm using this Cherry Shower Mousse from Gush. The scent on this is so extremely good, and I love the pump packaging as well. It just makes shaving a lot more fun. The foam does not last forever though, but honestly, my razor glides perfectly, so I don't mind. Finish off with the Nivea's in-shower body lotion. This is honestly my most favorite step in my entire shower. It smells so good and leaves my skin deeply moisturized straight from the shower. And lastly, I'm going in with my feminine wash. It's from Bella. It's so gentle yet effective. I love how reliable it is, which is why I keep going back to this. Out of the shower, I let my hair sit in a microfiber towel for about 15 minutes. Then I apply the Redken leave-in conditioner. This stuff is worth every penny. It conditions, protects from the heat, keeps frizz away, literally all in one. Sometimes I air dry my hair, or sometimes I blow dry, and sometimes I just dry my hair with the hair dryer. Once my hair is dry, I use the Wishcare Scalp Serum. I have already finished 2 bottles of this, and I have to say that this one definitely helps reduce hair fall. Then I'm using the Dove Peptide Bond Strength Oil Plus Serum. This serum repairs, softens, and adds so much shine to my hair. It's basically everything that I want in a hair serum. And because hair perfume is now a non-negotiable in my routines, I spray the Swarovski's Rose Hair Perfume. This is not your typical rose scent. It smells so beautiful and makes my hair routine feel so complete. There's honestly no better feeling than slipping into fresh pajamas right after your shower. It instantly makes me feel relaxed and so cozy. I'm using the Uriage deodorant. This smells so fresh, almost like baby dove, and actually keeps me fresh all day long. Then I go in with the Nivea's Shea Body Lotion. This is my current favorite. It's super nourishing and smells so nice and cozy. And my most used body mist right now is the Victoria's Secret Tropical Nectar. If you love mango scents, then this one smells just like that. It smells like juicy mangoes. It's sweet, tropical, and so extremely good. Moving on to my nighttime skincare routine, I'm starting with my absolute favorite, the Innisfree's Pore Dual Clay Mask. This mask is my go-to favorite. It has volcanic clay that deeply cleanses and hyaluronic acid that keeps my skin so hydrated. I absolutely love the color and how creamy the texture is. It spreads so easily, leaving my skin so fresh, soft, and balanced. It's literally perfect for your everything shower. It can be used in the shower as well, so it's a complete 10 on 10. To tone, I love using Anua's Heart Leaf Toner. It's lightweight, calming, and perfect for soothing. Tonight is a retinol night, so I always follow the sandwich method. The first step is a moisturizer. I'm using the Estura Hydro Soothing Cream. It's packed with ceramides that strengthen my skin barrier and locks in moisture. Preps my skin beautifully so that the retinol does not feel harsh. My serum, I have been loving the Anua's Retinol Serum. It's such a gentle formulation, so it does not really feel harsh on my skin. It works overnight to smooth out textures, fade marks, and gives my skin that soft, even look. I love that it's beginner friendly yet so effective. Retinol really feels like a reset for the skin. Every time I wake up, my skin just looks so much more calmer, brighter, and more refined. And then I wrap everything in again with the Estura's moisturizer to seal all of the goodness in. This step really ensures that my skin wakes up plump and smooth. Lastly, I'm using the Laneige Lip Serum in Blueberry. It smells so yummy and keeps my lips super soft and hydrated while I sleep. It just feels so good after an everything shower routine. And the best drink you can treat yourself after your everything shower is coconut water, especially chilled coconut water. It is just so refreshing. Nothing comes close to this. It's Wednesday and you already know I'm watching The Summer I Turned Pretty. At first I was team Jelly Bean, but now I'm kind of leaning towards Conrad. I feel like Belly really needs someone totally new. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. I am dying to hear your take on this. And oh my god, this episode just made me so happy. It was so good. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. Sending you love and hugs.